welcome back to my channel. I am Usha Balas. Today I am gonna show you the makeup look, Rakhi Special Makeup Look. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, I am using this Fair and Lovely Fairness Cream as a primer. Take a little bit amount of cream and spread evenly on your face and neck. By the way, this is my Rakhi special outfit. This kurta has stitched neck piece, so that is the best part of this, that there are no wearing other neck pieces. This is my one of the favorite kurta. Now I am taking talcum powder and apply evenly. Now I fill my eyebrows with this pencil from Lakme. Now I apply coral eyeshadow from this palette. This is from Maybelline Nudes palette. I am wearing pastel pink color outfit for this festival, so I apply that pastel pink color also in this palette. Okay, and apply for my eyelids. Now I apply kajal for my eyes. Okay, now coming to the lipstick. This is from LI 18. This is dark pink color, so I am wearing light pastel pink color outfit, so I would like to dark color for this festival. So now lastly I put a bindi, green and pearl bindis on my brows middle. So this is my makeup look, Rakhi Special Makeup Look. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel guys. Bye, love you. Happy Rakhi.